Amazeum families. We're here in the shop, the fabrication shop, our creative studio here at the Scott Family Amazeum, and we have a little demonstration for you today of joining metal. We're going to do a little welding competition. I don't know if it'll be a competition, but we'll find out. We have some accomplished welders here at the Amazeum. We have Dustin, who is probably one of the better welders I've ever seen. Joel, who is also a fantastic welder, and Shelby, who I do not know about her welding skills, but I'll bet you she has some because she's working in our fabrication shop.
The wild card.
They are going to show you some of the ways to join steel together using the method of welding. You guys ready?
All right, here we go.
That's what you want. The sound of sizzling bacon. All right, here we go. As well, since Dustin did a flat weld.
Little paint there.
Valiant effort.
Oh, I'm happy with that. I call this piece U.S. Steel.
I call this piece solidarity.
That sounded all right. That's not bad. Look at that. I think I
Welding. Joining metal to make whatever you want. Very important skill to have. It's all over bridges, buildings, welding. Try it. It's a lot of fun.